what are the strength of technical analysis? It can be used on any instrument. Yeah, today I started trading in currency. I don't have to look at what INR USD fundamentals are. I'm just looking at the chart and I'm started trading it. If I want to move to crude oil tomorrow, I can easily do it because the chart is a chart, right? The charts are the same. So I can use those charts to make trading decision. It can be used to analyze wide range of data. Okay. And there are many charting tools and technique that we will be using going forward. And the best part is the basic principles are very easy to understand. So after doing this complete course of 7 series of demystified technical analysis, okay, you will be, I'm sure that you will be at least not the master, but at least now you'll be able to demystify what these people are saying, or you can start looking at the chart yourselves. So I'm going to see some questions here. Does it happen always that after making a lower top and crossing the lower one, or is it sometimes? So about 80 to 90% of the time, you will see the market making a lower top before crashing down. Okay, about 80 to 90% of the time. There are only very few instances when there are corporate announcements. So if you go to DHFL chart, okay, market was making higher top, higher bottom, higher top, higher bottom, and then all of a sudden a news comes in and it just cracks down. There is no lower bottom formed and there was no recovery also. So you never got a chance to get out of DHFL unless and until you put your stop losses. So 90% of the time market has to make a lower bottom, lower top and breach the lower bottom for you to make some conclusive evidence that the market is trending down. And this is not going to be a theory session. Remember, guys, okay? I'm a more of a trader. I like to look at the chart, real-time chart, and understand what's happening now. But अगर आपने मैथ्स पढ़ा नहीं होता था, 2 + 2 4 होता है, तो फिर मैं जब भी 22 + 22 बोलूंगा तो you will not know what is 22 + 22. You need to know basics first. Once you know the basics, we will do everything on the real-time charts, and we will look at the real-time charts and we'll see whether we are able to draw those, whatever we have been learning, we are able to draw that there. Okay. Now, if you see over here, if I would not have given you the name on the top, okay, let me just go back. If I would have not given you the name, and I'm sure now your mind is going there only, but this is the chart of a crude oil and this is the chart of USD Euro. Okay. Now, because both of them, can you see, it's just moving up or down. It's nothing but like an X-ray. Technical analysis is nothing but like an X-ray. You can look at the chart and see what is going behind it. I don't have to care about whether it is a crude oil or USD dollar till I understand what is the psychology, what is driving the market, what is the trend. What is the trend? Is a bullish trend. Okay, just buy on every dip. If it is a bullish trend, buy on every dip. If it is a bullish trend, buy on every dip. Okay. अगर strength है तो weakness भी है. So what are the weaknesses? It is subjective. It is very subjective. So there is no 2 + 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Pardon me if I am confusing you, but somebody is looking at a chart and they can think that it is a what you can call them, like, you know, triangle pattern, but somebody may see, okay, no, it is not a triangle. It may be a part of an head and shoulder pattern, or it may be something else, or it may be something else. So I would not honestly call it weakness, but it is subjective. So you have to master this art before you become like a professional to it. Okay, past does not necessarily repeat itself, because from the childhood हम लोग की आदत हो गई कि we need certainty. We need certainty to do something. अगर हम लोग को पैसा नहीं मिलेगा तो हम लोग कुछ काम नहीं करेंगे. लेकिन in trading there is no guarantee, and that's why it is very difficult to be a good trader, because it does not repeat exactly like it. It will rhyme. So as we say, the history never repeat itself, but it rhymes. What does it mean by it rhymes? Matlab, the broader philosophy will be the same, but the reasons may be different. It is based on probability, not certainty. Remember that. Technical analysis is nothing but trading probability, is not certainty. The minute you start saying, okay, boss, I'm certain that the market is going to go up, what you're creating is a problem for you in your mind. You are telling yourself कि बॉस अगर मैं बाई कर रहा हूं तो ऊपर ही जाना चाहिए, और अगर मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है, if the market is going down, you will try to find out reasons. You will try to find out reasons why the market is going down, or should go up ideally. Okay. And then you will try to never get out of your position. You will try to hold your positions with some random arguments.